Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to send email to a Gmail account in Windows applications. I want to send an email to this Gmail account. Let's do it the final step. I'm adding two addresses, charantrika@gmail.com. Subject is hello, and the body, this is Charan sending mail using winforms. Send. See, here we got the message. Your mail has been sent to charantrika@gmail.com, and we got an email here. Let's open that one. There's a subject hello, and the body is this is Charan sending mail using winforms. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am creating a new Windows application. Go to File, New, Project. I'm choosing Windows application from the templates, Windows Forms application, and the .NET framework I'm using 4.6.1. I'm giving the project name Gmail winforms tutorial. Okay, and here the project is successfully created. Let me expand this form 1 window. Now in this form 1 page I am adding 4 controls. One is a to address, subject, body, and the last one I am adding button control to send the email, and also I am adding the label control to display the message the email has been sent successfully or not. Go to Toolbox. I'm expanding the common controls. I'm adding text box 1, 2, 3, now I am adding label controls. Toolbox, label, F4. I'm changing label text to 2. Copy this one and paste. F4, subject, and the last label I'm adding body. The body text box control I'm changing to multi-line. Now let's add a button control and one label control. Go to Toolbox, button control, and label control. F4, I'm changing the text value of the button send, and the label control F4, I'm not adding the text value. After adding the designing part, double click the button control. Now first, to send an email we need the namespaces using system.net, using system.net.mail. After adding these two namespaces, now in the button control I'm adding mail message class creating an object for the mail message, new mail message, and this mail message class contains from, to, subject and body. So I'm adding here the from address, which is my email ID. I'm adding charan3k@gmail.com. This is a from address, and the to address textbox1 dot text dot subject textbox2 dot text dot body textbox3 dot text. After that, I'm adding SMTP client. SMTP is equals to new SMTP client, which takes three parameters: host and port number. SMTP dot host, the host name for the Gmail ID, smtp.gmail.com, smtp.port number, which is 587 for the Gmail. After that, I'm adding the network credential class system.net.network credential, NC is equals to new network credentials, which takes 5 parameters, but I'm using only 2 parameters: username and password. Both are strings. Username is charan3k@gmail.com, and the password, just for the security reasons, I'm not providing my real password, but at the time of sending this email I will change into the real one. smtp.credentials, I'm adding network credential object, which is NC. smtp.enable SSL is equals to true. The last, I'm adding the send method. This send method takes the mail message object. Our mail message object is a mm, and the last, I'm adding when the mail is sent successfully, I want to display the message. For that, I have added the label 4 control. Label 4 dot text is equals to your mail has been sent to the receiver's email ID, which is textbox1 dot text. That's it. Now it's time to send an email. Start. Before click the send button, let's visit my Gmail account. I want to send an email to this Gmail account. Let's do it the final step. I'm adding 2 address, charan3k@gmail.com. Subject is hello, and the body, this is Charan sending mail using winforms. Send. See, here we got the message. Your mail has been sent to charan3k@gmail.com, and we got an email here. Let's open that one. There's a subject hello, and the body is this is Charan sending mail using winforms. That's it.